Simplifying law, Dausab asserts, aids in comprehending the objectives of the legislation. The Justice Minister emphasized the significant role of legislative drafters and law reformers, noting that drafters dedicate considerable time to comprehending and articulating the underlying policies of proposed laws. Additionally, Dausab suggested the establishment of an annual national legislative agenda to provide ample time for drafters and ensure clarity regarding Namibia's legislative priorities. Furthermore, the ministry has proposed that every proposed law be accompanied by a written policy to prevent confusion and uncertainty.
Forgive them for the time that they take to send out a refined piece of legislation. It is their responsibility to ensure that the information that goes out there is sufficiently clear so that it doesn't have the kinds of ambiguities that we would see if laws are rushed through that particular process. Over the next few months, it's also going to be particularly difficult for the drafters, to get through all of the required pieces of legislation that we would like to see on the floor of Parliament.
The Commonwealth Secretariat is hosting a law reform training workshop in response to a request from the Justice Minister for technical assistance in legislative drafting and law reform. The Secretariat supports the strengthening of rule of law institutions by providing technical assistance, developing policies and tools, and enhancing capacities and skills.
It is a well-known secret that technical assistance is where the Commonwealth Secretariat finds itself at its best. This is where we excel. We bring together expertise from across the Commonwealth to our member countries who request assistance, and together we forge a way forward, we learn from each other, and we're able in some way to lay the ground or to plant the seeds for change, for development, for reform in the areas of interest to you. And so you can imagine that we are really, really pleased to be here with you today to make this journey with Namibia.
Selman Bikwa, NBC News, Windhoek.